Hello everyone, welcome to Study Facilitator. In this video, we are going to learn and write the essay on my best friend. First point, Sona is my best friend. Second point, she is my classmate. Next point, she is 10 years old. Next point, she lives near my house. Next point, she is very clever and honest girl. Next point, she is good in studies. Next point, her favorite subject is English. Next point, she speaks English well. Next point, she always helps me in studies. Last point, I love my best friend. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.